has the Indian internet users smartphone screen time gone up during in 2020? Akash, Inba, either one of you want to take that?
So I mean, I'll take it up, and I would also love to hear from Inba. But clearly 2020 has been a year which has given digital consumption in general, digital services, digital content consumption in general, a massive push. And again, talking from our perspective, as I mentioned earlier, almost a 4x kind of a growth has achieved in terms of number of installs which we do on our platform in the entire year. And for Indian users, which are basically users who are using our platform in regional languages, that growth is even more. That is 5x. So number of installs which we have done has increased by 5x for regional users. Regional users are also engaging with their property, so overall retention on regional user is significantly higher. We have seen that on an average 15% more retention on the regional users. Other thing, the various factors which, at least for the India as a market, we've seen that in June there was, a Chinese app ban. We were actually one of the largest channel for app user acquisition for most of these apps which were banned. In fact, so we thought, a sizable number of, a sizable portion of our business will get impacted because of it. But companies like Daily Hunt, all other partners, all other young startups took this opportunity and started building apps for Indian market. And you won't believe, just for the short video category, between June and July, there was a 9.9x, almost 10x kind of a growth which we saw in number of installs just for that category. So clearly, people sneeze. They basically went for this opportunity which was there, created applications which are. Suddenly there was a void, and so they created these applications. We know that by October the number of users who were using short video through these banned Chinese applications, that was covered by Indian companies. So there were more users now using short video applications which are being created by Indian companies. So clearly there's a push, and as I mentioned earlier, the regional has been a factor for us. We've seen the users who tend to use their phones as well as these applications in the regional language tend to be more engaging with our product as well as other applications which they download.
Okay, I think so. It's easy to conclude that yes, it has gone up in the year in 2021. You're basically saying that in those periods you saw spikes in certain these things, but overall there has been an upward trend in download of applications and in engagement. Okay, Inba?
Just to talk about from the Daily Hunt standpoint, to answer this question. Now, pre-pandemic, we used to hover anywhere between 200 odd mouths, 200 odd monthly active users, and since the pandemic, and we are talking about a number which is a December exit number, we have close to about 300 monthly active users coming onto the platform. With about 85 to 87 million people coming in accessing content on a daily basis. I'm referring to the Daily Hunt platform. Now, if you have to evaluate it from the time spent of pre-COVID, you used to hover anywhere between 24-25 minutes, which is actually hovering anywhere between 30 and 31 minutes. Is a clear indication that the time spent on content consumption is actually has been increased during the pandemic. To answer this question.